A young robotics engineer has done something no one in the Southern Hemisphere has managed before. Josh Wigley's Perth startup turning rubbish into a 3D printed boat in just 36 hours, and he's being backed by the federal government to do even more.
36 hours. That's all it took to build this 3-metre boat, the first 3D printed vessel in the Southern Hemisphere.
Essentially, we took what desktop printing does and we scaled that up to a large machine.
27-year-old engineer Joshua Wigley launched Hyperion Systems in Henderson 3 years ago. Now the only company in Australia and just the fourth in the world printing on this scale.
It started with the idea of plastic waste floating on the ocean, and I thought one day, what if we combined all that plastic waste and turned it into something that also floats like a boat.
Plastic waste, once bound for landfill, turned into pellets, fed to the machine and melting into any shape. Industrial parts, furniture, even artwork. Lengthy and labour-intensive work replaced with rapid robotics, often at a reduced price.
Being able to recycle plastic waste and actually create meaningful things with it is a great opportunity.
The federal government backing Hyperion Systems' next step with a $385,000 grant. The startup plans to attach this printing arm to a shipping container so it can be taken anywhere in Australia to build parts. It'll be available for lease by the end of the year. Companies in construction, defence and other industries empowered to make parts on site.
We're really starting to pick up some steam now. It's been great to watch everything grow. Watch the team develop as well.
A Perth invention teaching an old industry new tricks. Bianca Carboni, 9 News.